Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the cost of healthy eating? Many people believe that a nutritious diet is out of reach, but that's simply not true. By making smart choices and prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, you can enjoy a healthy lifestyle without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore a variety of delicious, affordable food options that can be incorporated into your daily diet. Whole grains. Whole grains are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're also incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Some healthy, affordable whole grains. Brown rice. A versatile grain that can be used in pilafs, stir-fries, and salads. Quinoa. A complete protein that can be used as a substitute for rice or pasta. Oats. A popular breakfast choice that can also be used in baking. Tips. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. They are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Warning. While whole grains are generally healthy, excessive consumption can lead to bloating or digestive issues for some individuals. It's essential to listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Legumes. Legumes are another great source of protein and fiber. They're also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes. Some healthy, affordable legumes. Lentils. A versatile legume that can be used in soups, stews, and salads. Chickpeas. A popular ingredient in hummus and falafel. Black beans. A common ingredient in Mexican and Central American cuisine. Tips. Legumes are packed with protein, making them a great option for vegetarians and vegans. They are also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. Warning. Some legumes, such as lentils and beans, contain oligosaccharides, which can cause gas and bloating in some people. Soaking and rinsing them before cooking can help reduce these effects. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are essential for a healthy diet. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some healthy, affordable fruits and vegetables. Fruits. Apples, berries, oranges, pears, plum, cantaloupe, watermelon, grapes, mangoes, bananas. Vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, tomatoes. Tips. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them essential for a healthy diet. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Warning. While most fruits and vegetables are healthy, excessive consumption of certain fruits, like mangoes or grapes, can lead to blood sugar spikes. It's important to maintain a balanced diet and avoid overeating. Protein sources. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. These affordable protein sources can help you meet your daily needs. Some healthy proteins. Animal protein. Eggs, chicken, turkey, fish, beef. Plant-based protein. Tofu, tempeh, lentils, beans, nuts, seeds. Tips. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. These affordable protein sources are a great way to meet your daily protein needs. Warning. While these proteins are generally healthy, excessive consumption of red meat has been linked to certain health risks. It's important to balance your protein intake and consider other lean protein sources like fish and poultry. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for a balanced diet. These affordable options can provide essential nutrients. Some healthy, affordable examples. Avocados. A good source of healthy monounsaturated fats. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, peanuts. Seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds. Olive oil. A healthy cooking oil. Tips. Healthy fats are essential for a balanced diet and can help regulate hormones, support brain function, and protect against heart disease. These affordable options are a great way to incorporate healthy fats into your meals. Warning. While healthy fats are beneficial, it's important to consume them in moderation. Excessive intake of fats can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. By choosing these affordable, nutritious options, you can enjoy a healthy diet without breaking the bank. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Thank you for watching.